Hi guys. Welcome back to my channel. Struggling to weight loss? Here are some simple tips. Tip 1. Focus on portion control. You don't have to give up your favorite food. Simply reduce your portion sizes. Use smaller plates, and you will naturally eat less. Tip 2. Eat more protein and fiber. Protein and fiber keep you full longer. Add eggs, chicken, beans, or leafy greens to your meals. This helps reduce cravings and unnecessary snacking. Tip 3. Sleep well. Did you know lack of sleep can cause weight gain? Sleep at least 7 hours a night to keep your hormones balanced and prevent late-night cravings. Tip 4. Walk after meals. Take a 10-minute walk after meals. It helps digestion, burns calories, and prevents fat storage. It's simple and super effective. Tip 5. Avoid sugary foods. Sugary drinks are full of empty calories. Switch to water, black coffee, or herbal tea to cut hundreds of calories daily. Tip 6. Drink water before meals. Drinking a glass of water before meals can reduce hunger and help with portion control. It's a simple habit that supports weight loss. Tip 7. Keep healthy snacks around. Instead of reaching for chips or candy, keep healthy snacks like almonds, Greek yogurt, or fruit within reach. It'll help you avoid those midday cravings. Tip 8. Track your progress. Tracking your food intake or exercise can keep you accountable. Whether it's through an app or a simple journal, tracking helps you stay on track and see progress. Tip 9. Avoid processed food. Processed foods are packed with sugar and unhealthy fats. Opt for whole foods like fruits, veggies, lean proteins, and healthy fats for better weight loss results. Tip 10. Stay consistent. Consistency is key to weight loss. Stick to your healthy habits, even on tough days. Progress happens over time, and small changes add up. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks to make your weight loss journey easier. Thanks for watching.